get a point in your life continue living in your parents' house. So I left my parents' house. I got a job and that's been very, very stressful. I came to work and 2 weeks after I felt ill. Seriously ill. But seriously ill to the extent that I thought I was going to die. Hi guys, welcome to the first video of the year. Welcome to my first video of this year. Oh my god, I've missed you guys so much, but I've been very, very busy. This video looks so serious. This is not the normal Shayo. Hi guys, welcome to another video. It's your girl Shayo and I'm back again with another banger. Now that sounds like me. So I've been very busy and I've not been able to create or put out any content. For that I'm sorry. I'm just saying I should come and update you guys on my life because I've missed you guys, and I hope you guys have been wondering that where is this girl, because I've been getting messages from people saying I've not posted for a while. I'm alive. Happy New Year. I'm still alive. By the title of this video you already know what's up. I left my parents' house. I went to work. But when I say I left my parents' house, I did not mean that they chased me out of the house or they pushed me out of the house. No. No, because I feel like that title might be saying that they've not chased me out of their house. It's just that get it and no longer continue living in your parents' house. So I got a job basically and I moved to the area where I got a job in Lagos State. So presently I'm in Lagos. I got a job in Lagos, so I moved to Lagos for the job. Yeah, and that's been very, very stressful. Lagos life is something else entirely, and I didn't expect I didn't expect it because this is not my first time living in Lagos. Yeah, I did my internship training here for 6 months, but it is not as bad as I did my internship training on the island though. So I guess the level of stress in Lagos depends on where you're staying. I think. Yeah, that's it, because I came to Lagos to work and 2 weeks after I felt ill. Seriously ill to the extent I might be dramatic, so maybe that's why. But seriously ill to the extent that I thought I was going to die. I legitimately, there was one night it was so bad. It was very bad. I didn't know what to do, so I sent a message to random friends asking them to pray for me, and then I took my phone. I took my phone, I unlocked it. It was like I took my phone, I unlocked my phone just in case I do not see the next morning, so we can get information about. I don't even know what I was thinking, but I took my phone, I unlocked it so people can have access to my phone in case and then I made a voice note. And then I made a voice note like basically saying my last wishes, my last desires, talking about people that I have crushes on. Talking about people that I have crushes on, talking about how I think the voice note was like 20 minutes long, giving instructions and basically pouring my secrets out to the voice note in case I do not see the next day. That's how bad it was. So, and then I told them to refer to my notes because, okay, this one now I'm spilling my secrets out to you people, right? Nobody should take my phone and go and check up on my voice notes or on my notes pad because I have a lot of secrets there. Don't even dare go near those two places. Don't even, because whatever you see there, it's on you. So I unlocked my phone and did all of those things and then said my prayers. And then I was praying for sleep because that night was very bad. It was very bad because I felt extremely weak, like as if my spirit was going to. And I've been hearing that some people, that's why they die, that that they feel extremely weak, like as if your soul wants to like pop out of your body. That's how I was feeling that night. So that's why I did all those things. So I did not die. I'm alive. I'm here today. So yeah, like I said, Lagos is very stressful. It's very stressful for me, especially. I think that was what brought about the sickness. That was what elevated the sickness, because where I stay is never really far from where I work. It's not. The normal day is like 30 minutes. But you know, this Lagos, so traffic can nevertheless like sometimes an hour, sometimes an hour plus. But the main issue is the road. I take bus to work. The bus are so uncomfortable. It's basically sitting down on bench, wooden, like all the buses I've taken. Why is that bad? It's like a sitting on wooden bench, and I was not used to it. And the road, and these drivers are more crazy than the one on the island. These drivers are mad. Their driving skills, should I make it top notch? When they're rating driving skills, the more riskier? What's the word? When they're rating people's driving skills, I think the more riskier the driver is, the more rated they are. So I think they are rated very high, because they kind of gas that you'll be feeling. So I've been feeling like those pains around my body, but I'll be like doing the big girl, your body's not this big girl, stronger, blah blah blah, going to work despite the pain. But one day, I was coming back from work. No, not even when I was coming, even at work, I was still feeling the pain. But when I was coming back from work, my body was telling me that, Shayo, see, all the stronger that you are doing. I cannot take it any longer. And that was when I broke down. I got home with severe body pains all over my body. I felt like they've used my body to pound the arm. I feel like they've used my body to pound the arm. It was bad. It was not easy. And a lot of things went on that led to that very night. So I thought I was going to I went to do that. Okay, so I don't really have anything serious to say today. I just said let me come and say hi to you guys and see you guys' faces, because it's been a while. Today is the 30th. Today is the 31st. So that means throughout the month of January, nothing happened. I didn't make any videos. Wow. So yeah, happy new year, happy new month too, because I feel like this is going to come out February. Not even I feel like it cannot come out today. So yeah, this is going to come out on February. What else do I have to say? Please, I am bored in this place that I'm staying. I'm very bored, very bored. I don't have friends here. So if you're watching my channel and you stay close to Igodo, maybe you stay close to Igodo or Lasso side, let's hang out, let's link up. If you're schooling at Lasso, my Lasso students, please, if you are on this channel, let's hang out, let's link up. Just send a DM to me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram link below, and let's hang out, because this is getting bored and your girl might go insane if she's talking to herself every day, because there's nobody to talk to after work. Okay guys, and this is the start of a new year. I have lots of content prepared for you guys this year. Oh lots. It's mostly going to be talk shows about new things that are coming on, new events. We're probably going to explore Lagos State, because I'm in a new environment now, so we're probably going to explore Lagos State. So expect a whole lot from me as soon as I settle down. I don't know, I mean, as soon as I settle, I mean this month. Don't worry, this is not going to be the only video for this month. You're going to receive, I promise you, several videos this month, because I'm getting a hang of things around them. Alright guys, I think that's what I have to say for today. Yeah, and I'm getting much better. Yeah, like see my face now, I'm getting so much better. Okay, so yeah, thank you for your time. It's your girl Shayo. I don't know how to end this video, but it's your girl Shayo. I love you, and till next time, be happy. Be happy. The things that you love, the things that make you happy. Be yourself, love yourself, pamper yourself, and also pour out those love. Because the truth is that if you love yourself, that love will be so full that you want to give it. That's why people do say you cannot love others without loving yourself first. So love yourself, pamper yourself, be good to yourself, and when you love yourself, extend this love to others, pour out this love and love others too. I think that's all I have to say. I love you guys. Bye bye. Till next time. Mwah.